Simple Life presents Health Benefits of Daily Meditation. If stress has you anxious, tense, and worried, consider trying meditation. Spending even a few minutes in meditation can restore your calm and inner peace. Anyone can practice meditation. It's simple and inexpensive, and it doesn't require any special equipment. And you can practice meditation wherever you are. Whether you're out for a walk, riding the bus, waiting at the doctor's office, or even in the middle of a difficult business meeting. Understanding meditation. Meditation has been practiced for thousands of years. Meditation originally was meant to help deepen the understanding of the sacred and mystical forces of life. These days, meditation is commonly used for relaxation and stress reduction. Meditation is considered a type of mind-body complementary medicine. Meditation can produce a deep state of relaxation and a tranquil mind. During meditation, you focus your attention and eliminate the stream of jumbled thoughts that may be crowding your mind and causing stress. This process may result in enhanced physical and emotional well-being. Here are some health benefits of meditation. 1. Reduces stress. Stress reduction is one of the most common reasons people try meditation. One study including over 3,500 adults showed that it lives up to its reputation for stress reduction. Normally, mental and physical stress cause increased levels of the stress hormone cortisol. This produces many of the harmful effects of stress, such as the release of inflammation-promoting chemicals called cytokines. These effects can disrupt sleep, promote depression and anxiety, increase blood pressure, and contribute to fatigue and cloudy thinking. In an 8-week study, a meditation style called mindfulness meditation reduced the inflammation response caused by stress. Another study in nearly 1,300 adults demonstrated that meditation may decrease stress. Notably, this effect was strongest in individuals with the highest levels of stress. Research has shown that meditation may also improve symptoms of stress-related conditions, including irritable bowel syndrome, post-traumatic stress disorder, and fibromyalgia. Many styles of meditation can help reduce stress. Meditation can also reduce symptoms in people with stress-triggered medical conditions. 2. Controls anxiety. Less stress translates to less anxiety. An 8-week study of mindfulness meditation helped participants reduce their anxiety. It also reduced symptoms of anxiety disorders, such as phobias, social anxiety, paranoid thoughts, obsessive-compulsive behaviors, and panic attacks. Another study followed up with 18 volunteers 3 years after they had completed an 8-week meditation program. Most volunteers had continued practicing regular meditation and maintained lower anxiety levels over the long term. A variety of different meditation strategies may reduce anxiety levels. Yoga has been shown to help people reduce anxiety. This is likely due to benefits from both meditative practice and physical activity. Meditation may also help control job-related anxiety in high-pressure work environments. Habitual meditation helps reduce anxiety and anxiety-related mental health issues like social anxiety, phobias, and obsessive-compulsive behaviors. 3. Promotes emotional health. Some forms of meditation can also lead to improved self-image and a more positive outlook on life. 2 studies of mindfulness meditation found decreased depression in over 4,600 adults. One study followed 18 volunteers as they practiced meditation for over 3 years. The study found that participants experienced long-term decreases in depression. A review of several studies suggests meditation may reduce depression by decreasing these inflammatory chemicals. Another controlled study compared electrical activity between the brains of people who practiced mindfulness meditation and the brains of others who did not. Those who meditated showed measurable changes in activity in areas related to positive thinking and optimism. Some forms of meditation can improve depression and create a more positive outlook on life. Maintaining an ongoing habit of meditation may help you maintain these benefits long-term. 4. Enhances self-awareness. Some forms of meditation may help you develop a stronger understanding of yourself, helping you grow into your best self. Self-inquiry meditation explicitly aims to help you develop a greater understanding of yourself and how you relate to those around you. Other forms teach you to recognize thoughts that may be harmful or self-defeating. The idea is that as you gain greater awareness of your thought habits, you can steer them toward more constructive patterns. A study of 21 women fighting breast cancer found that when they took part in a Tai Chi program, their self-esteem improved more than it did than in those who received social support sessions. People who took a mindfulness meditation program experienced reduced feelings of loneliness. Experience in meditation may cultivate more creative problem-solving. Self-inquiry and related styles of meditation can help you know yourself. This can be a starting point for making other positive changes. 5. Lengthens attention span. Focused attention meditation is like weightlifting for your attention span. It helps increase the strength and endurance of your attention. A study looked at the effects of an 8-week mindfulness meditation course and found it improved participants' ability to reorient and maintain their attention. A similar study showed that human resource workers who regularly practiced mindfulness meditation stayed focused on a task for longer. These workers also remembered details of their tasks better than their peers who did not practice meditation. Meditation may even reverse patterns in the brain that contribute to mind wandering, worrying, and poor attention. Even meditating for a short period may benefit you. 4 days of practicing meditation may be enough to increase attention span. Several types of meditation may build your ability to redirect and maintain attention. 6. May reduce age-related memory loss. Improvements in attention and clarity of thinking may help keep your mind young. Kirtan Kriya is a method of meditation that combines a mantra or chant with repetitive motion of the fingers to focus thoughts. It improved participants' ability to perform memory tasks in multiple studies of age-related memory loss. Furthermore, a review of 12 studies found that multiple meditation styles increased attention, memory, and mental quickness in older volunteers. In addition to fighting normal age-related memory loss, meditation can at least partially improve memory in patients with dementia. It can also help control stress and improve coping in those caring for family members with dementia. The improved focus you can gain through regular meditation may increase memory and mental clarity. These benefits can help fight age-related memory loss and dementia. 7. Improves sleep. Nearly half of the population will struggle with insomnia at some point. A study compared 2 mindfulness-based meditation programs by randomly assigning participants to one of 2 groups. One group practiced meditation, while the other didn't. Participants who meditated fell asleep sooner and stayed asleep longer, compared to those who didn't meditate. Becoming skilled in meditation may help you control or redirect the racing or runaway thoughts that often lead to insomnia. Additionally, it can help relax your body, releasing tension, and placing you in a peaceful state in which you're more likely to fall asleep. A variety of meditation techniques can help you relax and control the runaway thoughts that can interfere with sleep. This can shorten the time it takes to fall asleep and increase sleep quality. Meditation is something everyone can do to improve their mental and emotional health. You can do it anywhere, without special equipment or memberships. Alternatively, meditation courses and support groups are widely available. There's a great variety of styles too, each with different strengths and benefits. Trying out a style of mediation suited to your goals is a great way to improve your quality of life, even if you only have a few minutes to do it each day. Check out the link below for your free audiobook from Audible. If you like the video, do subscribe, like, and comment. Do hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. Thank you for watching.